me. You can post in the chat box. Yes. Okay. Okay, ma. Yeah. What is the strength? It is 74 only. So, what is the strength for the BSc class, man? You have any idea? If you can tell me, uh, based on we can wait for some time or we can continue. It was around 110. Okay, okay. So then we'll wait for 2 more minutes like that. Let's see if we can get the enough strength. Have you gone through the week 1 recordings, guys? How many of you have gone through the week 1 recordings? See, I am the faculty for your SNMA, that is social networks, right? So in this, we'll be learning what is a social network, right? First of all, we'll see what is a network, right? Then, no, why, ma? It's been so long time. Your week 1 was uploaded, right? software network, sorry, social networks. Uh, uh, Most of you gone through the videos, I guess, right? Uh, some replied that they didn't gone through the recordings. I don't know, but can you please let me know how many of you gone through the videos of week 1? I'm not talking about all the weeks. Week 3 also uploaded, right? So I'm just asking you about, have you gone through the week 1 videos? Yes or no? Please respond in the chat box. No. Okay. Let's see all the answers. May I know the reason why? Okay, I got one S answer. Those who are saying no, may I know the reason why you didn't get the time or what? Because we are preparing for SEM exams. Okay, fine. So this NPTEL also a part of your academics, right? Mid labs exams. Okay, fine. Seema, if you see your week 1, it is having 13 lectures, but in that you have very small duration videos. So lecture 1 is all about introduction. So in that he will tell like what is a social network, right? You're getting me, right? He'll just explain you about what is a social network, right? Then he just gave the introduction to the Python in lecture 3, 4, right? So most of you are aware of Python, I guess. Yes or no? I think most of you are aware of Python. Yes or no? Do let me know, guys. Yes, okay, fine. So then after he introduced a tool called Network X tool. There we are doing the programming of the social networks. That means in that tool, in that Network X tool, you can make use of the Python language, the simple commands. There you can create the graphs, right? You're getting me. So I'm not taking much of your time. I am just telling you what was explained in that videos, and I'll also give you the answers for week 1 in today's class. You're getting me. Is that okay for you, or you want me to explain all the contents of the week? Why? Because we'll be having only 2 classes in a week, that is on a Tuesday and Friday. And actually we were instructed to give you the answers for the questions. That means I should explain you the assignment, and I should give you the answers for the assignments, right? So what do you want me to do, guys? So you, if I can give you the answers and if I discuss the, is that okay for you? Please respond. Yeah. So in the week 1, he gave you the introduction. What is a network? What is the social network? There he explained about like, see, in a college, if a matter that was discussed among 2 people will be known for all the people in that group, in that classroom, right? So how that can be done is nothing but like that is an example for the social network, right? So when the people are talking, definitely they share some information, right? In that way, it will be spreaded in the network, right? So that concept he explained in the introduction part. Then he gave the introduction to the Python. Then about what is simple network X tool, right? So guys, when you get the time, please go through the lecture 5 and 6. He neatly explained there, right? How to use the simple commands for creating the network, right? You're getting me, right? Then he explained about what is the social network, right? So in present days, how the social network is a challenge, right? That means right? So this week one completely he discussed about the graph theory, ma. So if you have some knowledge on graph theory, you can easily solve week one assignment, right? So what is a graph, what is simple isometric graph, and what is right, what is isometric graph? Can anyone tell me? Graph theory, have you aware of this graph theory? In discrete mathematics, you had this graph theory concept, I guess, right? Yes or no? You have idea about graph theory, right? Wo- yes or no? Yes, right? So this week one is completely about graph theory only, ma, right? So guys, I'll please in your laptops, all of you, please open your week one assignment. Please open your week one assignment, all of you. Open. Yes. What is the first question, ma? See, the first question is what is the number of edges present in a complete graph having n vertices? Right? What is the number of edges present in a complete graph having n vertices? So the options are given like n into n plus 1 by 2, n into n minus 1 by 2, n information given is insufficient. So what will be the answer? You can respond in the chat box if you know the answer. Yes, it is n into n minus 1 by 2. So the answer is B. So you can click on the answer n into n minus 1 by 2. Guys, when I'm giving you the answer, if you can mark and submit, your submission also will be over at the same time, right? Yeah. Now, what is the second question? The second question is, which of the following functions is used to remove all edges and nodes in a graph in network X? Guys, I'm trying to share. Okay, let me try once. Screen. Uh, Zoom. Yes. Yes, ma. Give me some time. I'm trying to open this. Here you can easily. Yes, it is. Now, what is the second question, ma? If you can see the second question, right? It is which of the following function is used to remove all edges and nodes in a graph in network X? So, what is the answer? You can post in the chat box. Network X dot multi digraph dot clear. Is it working correctly? The first two are not the answers. Clearly, it is telling why, because you want to remove all the edges and nodes, right? So you think what is the correct answer? Three. Yes, three is the correct answer. Next, go to the third question. Go to the third question. That is, what will be the output of the following Python code? So there he has given with the nodes 1, 2, 4, 3, 8, 9. Then it is asking you to print this, right? T of I for I in the range 0 to 2. So what will be the output for this? The output for this is 148 in square basis. Yes, very good. So that is the answer for the third question, right? Now, the fourth question is, in which line there is an error? So which declaration is wrong? It is asking, right? What is the answer, ma? For the fourth question, nx.graph will create the graph and it will assign to capital G. The second one is it will add a node with the name 1, right? And the third one is it will add a node with hello. The fourth one, add node of 2.0. So what will be the none of the above? 536 is saying none of these. Anyone are sure about the answer? Guys, please respond, ma. I'm saying only one person responded. Madam is on leave. Guys, please respond. At least you respond with some answer, ma. I'll tell you whether it is a correct answer or not. Line 3. Line 3 is correct only. Why? Because it will simply add a node with hello. Yes, line 4. Why? Because it will not take, right? It will not create a node with the name 2.0 like that, right? You are getting me, ma? Right? The option is A. Node. Yes, this is 2.0. Yes, ma. The answer is this only 2.0, line 4. Why? Because it will not allow you to create a node like this. No, no, no. It will not take. I don't know this roll number. 19BD1A0. Right? Guys, here the answer is the error is in the line 4. Is it clear for you all? The fourth one? Can I go with 5? Which of the following graphs are isometric to each other? You should give me the answer here. Start this is a mobile now. Guys, please tell me. Isomorphic. Which of the following graphs are isomorphic? Yes. So you know what is the definition for the isomorphic graphs? 518. Your answer is correct, ma. Can you tell me what do you mean by isomorphic graph? 'So when we can say the set of graphs are isomorphic are if they're having the same number of vertices, same number of edges, and same number of, I mean, same edge connectivity, but if they are in the different forms. See, if you can see here, figure 1, 2, 3, these three are like looking like they are different. But if you see in terms of the nodes, in terms of the edges, and in terms of the connections, right, they are same, right? That means here the answer is D, 1, 2, 3. All the three are looking same, right? So you can, means all they are same edges in terms of the edges and vertices and the connectivity, right? So the answer is figure 1, 2, and 3. Okay, ma? Now, coming to the sixth question, what is the value of the sum of minimum in degree and maximum out degree of a directed acyclic graph? What is the value of the sum of minimum in degree and maximum out degree of a directed acyclic graph, right? Now the answers are depends on the graph, will always be 0, will always be greater than 0, maybe 0 or greater than 0. Guys, what will be the answer? Sixth one. What is the answer? Maybe 0 or greater than 0. The answer is maybe 0 or greater than 0, right? If you can see the sum of minimum in degree and maximum out degree of a direct acyclic graph is maybe 0 or greater than 0, right? So D is the answer. Now, coming to the question number 7. assuming the value of every weight to be greater than 10, in which of the following cases the shortest path of a directed weighted graph for two vertices u and v will never change? The answer is, can anyone tell me the answer? Yes, multiply all values by 10. C is the correct answer. Yes, ma'am. Very good. Most of you are giving the correct answer, right? Yeah. Assuming the value of every weight to be greater than 10, right? In which of the following cases the shortest path of a directed weighted graph from two vertices u and v will never change, right? Multiply all values by 10. That is the answer for the 7th question. Now, coming to the 8th question. In the given graph, which edge should be removed to make it bipartite graph? Do you know what do you mean by bipartite graph? Bipartite graph. Have you heard the term? First, tell me the definition for that. Yes, A to C is the correct answer, ma. Yes, very good. A graph, you can say it's a graph whose vertices can be divided into two disjoint and independent sets, right? You can make them two different sets, right? You can call them as u comma v, such that every edge connects a vertex in u to one in v, right? That means here u, v are called parts of the graphs, right? That means if you can remove one edge from the graph, it will make two different separate independent and disjoint sets. And if you take any vertex in u, right, it connects edge to one in v, right? So A to C is the answer, ma. And here it is creating two disjoint sets. They are ACE, right? It will make this ACE and BD. It will make two disjoint sets. The answer is A to C. Now, ninth one, you can answer, guys. If you type this code in Python, what will be the output? Oh, very good. O is the correct answer. Zero Vandana, the O, 536. Yes. Now the last one is, for any two different vertices u and v of an acyclic directed graph, if, right, if v is reachable from u, which of the following is true? My voice is not audible now. Yes, 36, very good, ma. Right, if v is reachable from u, u will not be reachable, right? U will not be reachable, right? You cannot, hence the vice versa is not possible. If v is reachable from u, u is not reachable from v. So B is the answer. Are you clear with all the answers? You still have any doubts in any answer, ma? See, I am also new to the course. I am also learning with you guys. So I have gone through some videos and I tried to give you the correct answers. If you still scroll down or up, Sridhar, you want to check from question number 1. Now, can you able to hear my voice, Shweta Tejashwini? Yeah. Fifth answer. Yes, all the 3 ma. Isomorphic. Yes. Guys, all are clear with all the answers? You still have any doubts, you can let me know, ma. 10th one, B. If V is reachable from U is not reachable from V. In a cyclic directed graph.
Recording stopped.
Guys, do you have any concerns? Shall we end the class?